Hello viewers, what's up? Welcome back to reviewsatoz. Warning. If you're looking for a quick fix, then this plan is not for you. We refuse to promise false results. The keto diet is not just a diet, it is a lifestyle change. And the results are astounding. So, unless you're prepared to follow this plan and buy an entirely new wardrobe, you won't be disappointed. Please turn away now. Are you ready to have vibrant energy of your youth? Are you ready to eliminate that stubborn belly fat and keep the weight off? Are you ready to enjoy all of the proven health benefits of a ketogenic diet? Look, our 28-day keto challenge is famous for results. 1. Be lighter and thinner. It's not uncommon to drop 4+ jean sizes. 2. Have more energy than you've felt in years. 3. Sleep better and wake up more rested. 4. Notice your skin and hair improved. 5. Have more mental clarity and sharpness. 6. Feel a sense of accomplishment. Best of all, you'll gain momentum with your new keto lifestyle. Start the 28-day keto challenge right now. Click Take the Challenge below, link in description. And don't forget subscribe our channel for next update. And visit us, reviewsatoz.com. Connect us for updated Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr and YouTube. Thanks for watching.